Good morning. Chapter limit, exercise 13.1, question number 23. Question is find limit x tends to 0 fx and limit x tends to 1 fx, where fx equal to 2x plus 3 when x less than equal to 0 and 3 into x plus 1 when x greater than 0. Okay? That means we have to find left hand limit and right hand limit. If both are equal, left hand limit and right hand limit, that means that function is exist at that point. Okay, so first at x equal to 0, that means x tends to 0, so left hand limit equal to,
Sir, it will be 2 into 0 plus 3, which is 3.
left hand limit equal to limit x tends to 0 minus, left hand limit means 0 minus less than fx, okay, equal to limit x tends to 0 minus, so 0 minus fx means less than, that is function is 2x plus 3, okay, function is 2x plus 3 when less than 0 means 0 minus, okay, so this equal to, put x equal to 0, that means 2 into 0 plus 3, so equal to 3, so left hand limit is 3, okay. Now right hand limit x tends to 0 plus fx equal to limit,
so limit x tends to 0 plus 3 into
0
x plus
plus
1.
means greater than 0, 3 into x plus 1 function is 3 into x plus 1.
Sir, it will also be 3, so 3 into 0 plus 1, which is 3.
0 plus 1 equal to 3, yes, okay. So therefore left hand limit equal to,
So it is equal to right hand limit.
right hand limit, left hand limit equal to right hand limit, okay. So function is exist at that point, therefore limit x tends to 0, hence limit x tends to 0 fx, limit x tends to 0 fx equal to 3, okay, value is 3, left hand limit, right hand limit equal to limit x tends to 0 fx, so it is 3. Now when x tends to 1 fx, so x tends to 1 plus and 1 minus, in both the case function is 3 into x plus 1, okay.
Sir, how?
Because x greater than 0, here it is not mentioned, x greater than 0, so 1 plus means greater than 1 and 1 minus means, okay, less than 1, so less than 1 also, less than 1 means 0 plus means greater than 0,
Yes, sir.
okay. So in both the case, so you can write limit x tends to 1, x tends to 1 fx equal to limit x tends to 1, function is 3 into x plus 1 equal to,
So 3 into 1 plus 1, which is 3 into 2, which is 6.
yes, 3 into 2 equal to 6, okay, clear. Next,
Yes.
question number 24. Find limit x tends to 1, limit x tends to 1 fx, where fx equal to x square minus 1 when x less than equal to 1, and minus x square minus 1. Minus x square minus 1, x greater than 1. Okay. So first find left hand limit equal to limit x tends to 1 minus fx equal to limit x
Sir, x tends to 1 minus x square minus 1.
yes less than x square minus 1 equal to 1 square minus 1 equal to 1 minus 1, it is 0. Okay, it is 0. Now
Yes, sir.
right hand limit x tends to 1 plus fx equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, so function is greater than x
So it will be minus x square minus 1.
minus x square minus 1 minus x square minus 1. Okay, so this equal to minus 1 square.
Sir, minus 1 square minus 1, which is minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2.
It is minus 2. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
therefore left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. Okay, that means function does not exist at that point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because not equal, left hand limit right hand limit not same. Hence fx does not exist at x equal to 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question number 25. Question is evaluate limit x tends to 0 fx x tends to 0 fx where fx equal to mod x by x, first function mod x by x not equal to 0. Okay, and 0 when x equal to 0. Okay. Okay, find left hand limit first equal to limit x tends to 0 minus fx equal to limit x tends to 0 minus fx is when x less than 0, mod x is minus x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When this is the definition of mod x is minus x by x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can write here within bracket. So mod x equal to minus x when x less than 0. Okay, and equal to plus x when x greater than 0. Okay, so this equal to minus x by x, that is minus 1,
But sir, in the question it is x is not equal to 0.
Not equal to 0. So 0 minus
Yes,
0
sir.
plus is not equal to 0, no? Where
Yes,
left hand
sir.
limit, right hand limit, both are not equal to 0. Okay? Limit meaning like this, no? X tends to 0. That means x approaches to 0, not equal to 0. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now right hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 plus fx so equal to limit x tends to 0 plus, so when 0 plus greater than 0, that is x by x so equal to 1.
So 1.
X is 1. Okay, so left hand limit, right hand limit, both are not same, -1 and 1. So
Yes,
therefore
sir.
left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Okay, so this limit does not exist at x equal to 0. So hence fx
So it does not exist at x is equal to 0.
does not exist at x equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next we will do question number 28. This question, find the value. 28 number. Fx equal to, given fx equal to a plus bx, a plus bx when x less than 1 equal to 4, x equal to 1, and b minus ax, x greater than 1. Okay, and if limit x tends to 1, fx equal to f1, so what are possible values of a and b? Of a and b. Okay, so it is given limit x tends to 1, fx equal to f1. Okay, and f1 equal to 4. So first find left hand limit equal to limit x tends to 1 minus fx. Now this equal to
Sir, a plus bx.
1 minus a plus bx function is.
So it is equal to a plus b.
A plus bx, okay, and x equal to 1. So
So sir, it is equal to a plus b.
b into 1 equal to a plus b. Okay, and it is given limit x tends to 1, fx equal to f1. Okay, that means x tends to 1 plus or 1 minus, both are f1. Okay, So since limit x tends to 1 fx equal to f1 and f1 equal to, and it is given f1
Sir,
equal
4.
to, f1 equal to 4. Okay, so therefore
Yes, sir.
you can write a plus b equal to 4. A plus b equal to 4.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
this is number 1, question number 1. Now right hand limit. Limit x tends to 1 plus fx. This equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, and fx is b
Sir,
minus
b
ax.
minus ax. So, sir, it is equal to b minus a.
b minus ax. Okay, so this equal to b minus a into 1 equal to b minus a. Okay, so this, so
Sir, b minus a is also equal to 4.
as limit x tends to 1 fx equal to 4, so b minus a equal to 4, equation number 2. Okay, is it okay?
Yes,
Now
sir.
solve 1 and 2.
Sir, here a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 4.
Solving 1 and 2. Okay, so a plus b equal to 4, so add 1
And sir,
and 2,
minus a plus b is equal to
plus
4.
b plus b minus a equal to 4 plus 4. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so minus a plus a,
So 2b is equal to 8 and therefore sir b is equal to 4.
so b equal to 4. Okay,
And sir a is equal to 4 minus b. So sir 4 minus 4 is equal to 0.
so a plus b equal to 4, b equal to 4, so a plus 4 equal to 4.
So sir a is equal to 0.
Therefore a equal to 0 and b equal to 4. Okay, this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next to question number 31. If the function fx satisfies limit x tends to 1 fx minus 2 by x square minus 1, x square minus 1 equal to pi, okay, so evaluate limit x tends to 1 fx, limit x tends to 1 fx. Okay, now so it is given limit x tends to 1, fx minus 2 by x square minus 1 equal to pi. Okay. So take separately limit numerator and denominator. So limit x tends to 1, fx minus 2 total divided by limit x tends to 1
So x square minus 1. It is equal to pi.
Then
Then we can cross multiply.
yes, limit so it is x tends to 1, fx minus 2 equal to pi into
So pi into limit x tends to 1 x square minus 1.
okay. Equal to pi into
So pi into 1 square minus 1. So sir, limit x tends to 1 fx minus 2 is equal to pi into 0 or 0. Yes sir. So sir, limit x tends to 1 fx minus 2 is equal to 0. Yes sir. So sir, limit x tends to 1 fx is equal to 2. And so that is the answer.
okay. Question is
sir.
limit x tends to 1 fx. So limit x tends to 1 fx equal to 2. Okay, find this. This is the answer.
Yes sir.
Okay, different type question. It's clear.
Yes sir.
Okay, it's so up to this completed limit and any question here?
No sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you sir.